narito kami ngayon sa Fort Capel. Yan yung nagdadrive. Yan si Walter. Hello! Ay! Yung naming navigator. Ayan.
See this map?
Eddie. Ayan.
Hey, we're going to China, Canada. Look at those mountains. Look at those mountains and you.
Correct. There.
Sherwood ito, malapit lang dito ito. Sherwood na ito.
Manulit?
Oh, ito Sherwood ito. Sherwood Mall, magkita mo ito. Magkita mo dito na ito eh.
Okay. This is Fort Capel. Yahoo! This is their downtown. And what a lovely downtown. So we have to reduce our speed to 60.
Or else the last food,
Oh, the less for the less.
Yes.
That's like happening. That's A&W restaurant and Shell right over there on our left side.